Hey there, racing enthusiasts! Welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you the top 5 best racing simulator cockpits on the market. If you're passionate about racing and want to elevate your gaming experience, finding the perfect cockpit setup is crucial. From immersive designs to advanced features, we'll cover the best options available to take your racing game to the next level. Whether you're a seasoned racer or just starting out, these cockpits offer comfort, stability, and realism to enhance your driving skills. So, buckle up and get ready for a thrilling ride through our top picks. So check the link in the description below for more details on each simulator cockpit. Number 5. GTTrack Racing Simulator Cockpit with seat and Bluetooth speakers is an exemplary choice for anyone seeking the ultimate racing simulation experience. The cockpit features a robust iron frame, meticulously crafted for superior durability and comfort. The frame is constructed from 2-inch alloy steel pipes, cold-pressed and bent to withstand the high-torque forces of direct-drive wheels like Fanatec. This ensures that even when the seat is reclined to a 160 degrees angle, the chassis remains rock-solid, providing a stable and immersive racing experience. The seat itself, often described as the King's Throne, is upholstered in premium leather and memory foam, offering exceptional comfort during long gaming sessions. One of the standout features of this racing simulator cockpit is its advanced sound system. Equipped with dual Bluetooth speakers positioned at the back, it delivers rich mid and high tones, enhancing the auditory experience. The system is further complemented by a dual-channel Bluetooth transmitter and additional bass speakers, creating a comprehensive 4-channel surround sound setup that fully immerses you in the game. In terms of compatibility, the GTTrack cockpit excels by accommodating various popular racing brands, including Logitech, Fanatec, Thrustmaster, and Moza. The adjustable panel hole positions allow for customization, and if needed, you can easily create additional holes to fit any setup. This versatility ensures that the cockpit can adapt to different racing wheels and setups. The racing simulator is designed for efficient logistics, with the overall dimensions measuring 51.2 inches by 21.7 inches by 43.3 inches. It is packaged in 2 separate boxes for streamlined shipping. Box A contains the seat, measuring 9.3 inches by 32.7 inches by 22.8 inches, and Box B houses the alloy frame, with dimensions of 6.3 inches by 33.5 inches by 22 inches. This thoughtful design ensures that each component arrives safely and is easy to assemble. Number 4. Vivo Racing Simulator Cockpit delivers an exceptional gaming experience with its robust and adjustable design, perfect for those who crave a realistic racing or flight simulation setup. This cockpit is designed to provide an immersive experience by allowing you to customize it with your preferred steering wheel, pedals, and shifter. The included chair and frame are engineered for durability and comfort, while the universal design ensures compatibility with a broad range of racing wheels from renowned brands such as Logitech, Moza, Thrustmaster, and Fanatec. This versatility extends to gaming platforms, as the cockpit supports Xbox One, PlayStation, and PC video games, making it a flexible choice for various gaming setups. One of the standout features of the Vivo Racing Simulator Cockpit is its adjustability. The cockpit includes a tilting wheel mount that can be customized to your preferred angle, enhancing your driving or flying experience. Additionally, the chair is fully adjustable, with the ability to slide forward, backward, and recline to suit your specific needs. The gear shift installation is versatile, allowing for placement on either the left or right side, which accommodates different preferences and driving styles. Despite its comprehensive features, the cockpit is designed with space efficiency in mind. Its compact dimensions of 21.5 inches by 51.2 inches by 44.5 inches allow it to fit comfortably in a variety of gaming spaces and be easily stored away when not in use. This thoughtful design ensures that your gaming area remains uncluttered and organized. Assembly is user-friendly, with all necessary hardware and instructions included, so you can quickly assemble your new racing setup and dive into your favorite games. The Vivo Racing Simulator Cockpit stands out as an excellent choice for anyone seeking a high-quality, customizable, and space-efficient racing simulation experience. Number 3. RACGTING Racing Simulator Cockpit stands out as an exceptional choice for racing enthusiasts looking to enhance their gaming setup. Designed for simplicity and efficiency, this cockpit requires minimal assembly. The near out-of-the-box setup means you can have it ready for action in just about 10 minutes. Just unpack, adjust to your desired angle, and start racing. Its compatibility is impressive, supporting a wide range of racing wheels from both Logitech and Thrustmaster, including models such as the Logitech G29, G920, G923, G27, and G25, as well as Thrustmaster's T248, T248X, T300 RSGT, T150, T80, TX, TGT, TSPC, and TSXW. The cockpit is compatible with major gaming platforms including PS5, PS4, Xbox One, and PC, though please note that the wheel, shifter, and pedals are sold separately. A major advantage of this racing simulator cockpit is its compact, foldable design, which allows for easy storage when not in use. This feature is particularly useful for those who may have limited space or want to keep their gaming area tidy. The cockpit is built with a carbon steel frame, providing a solid and stable structure that can support up to 110 kilograms. The chair is upholstered in a high-quality, durable suede material that combines comfort with resilience, ensuring a pleasant and supportive seating experience during long gaming sessions. Customization is another strong point of the RACGTING Racing Simulator Cockpit. It features multiple adjustable components to tailor the cockpit to your specific needs. You can modify the length of the footrests, adjust the angle of the steering wheel tray, reposition the shifters, and alter the height and angle of the chair. This ergonomic flexibility ensures that you can create a driving position that is perfectly suited to your body and driving style. Overall, the RACGTING Racing Simulator Cockpit offers a balance of convenience, comfort, and adaptability, making it an excellent choice for anyone serious about their racing simulation experience. Number 2. Playseat Trophy Logitech G Edition Sim Racing Cockpit exemplifies the pinnacle of racing simulation technology, combining innovation and precision engineering for an unparalleled racing experience. The cockpit's design focuses on delivering both comfort and performance, utilizing a sophisticated mix of materials and advanced features. The frame is constructed from powder-coated carbon steel and anodized aluminum, ensuring a lightweight yet exceptionally sturdy build that can withstand the rigors of intense racing sessions. This robustness is complemented by high-quality PU leather, which, along with the patented ActiFit material, provides a high level of comfort and support. The ActiFit material enhances the seat's breathability and adaptability, making it perfect for extended gaming sessions. The Playseat Trophy stands out for its fully adjustable nature. The seat, pedal plate, and steering plate can all be customized to fit a wide range of body types and driving preferences. This flexibility extends to the seat's hardness adjustment, allowing drivers to fine-tune their seating position for maximum comfort and control. Additionally, the optional lumbar support provides extra stability, reducing fatigue and improving driving posture. Designed to accommodate all direct-drive steering wheels, the cockpit is particularly well-suited for use with Logitech's G-Series sim racing hardware. This integration allows drivers to experience the full spectrum of force feedback, enhancing the realism and immersion of their racing simulations. The cockpit's frameless structure, developed in collaboration with professional racing drivers, ensures an ergonomic and immersive racing position. Whether for hobbyist racing or competitive esports, the Playseat Trophy delivers the ultimate racing simulator cockpit experience, combining advanced technology with user-centric design for an unparalleled racing experience. Number 1. Next Level Racing FGT Lite Formula and GT Foldable Simulator Cockpit, NLRS 015, stands out in the world of racing simulators with its exceptional blend of functionality and convenience. Designed for both Formula and GT racing positions, this cockpit allows users to swiftly switch between racing styles, enhancing the overall simulation experience. The Next Level Racing hubs are a key feature, offering quick adjustments to accommodate various driving styles while ensuring durability and stability during high-intensity races. This adaptability is complemented by the adjustable wheel, gear shifter, and pedal positions, which allow for precise customization of angles and placements, catering to individual preferences and driving styles. The cockpit's gear shifter support is notably versatile, capable of being mounted on either side, which adds to its user-friendly design. This flexibility means that users can configure their setup according to their dominant hand or personal comfort. The seat is crafted from highly breathable fabric, providing superior comfort and ventilation, even during prolonged gaming sessions, which is crucial for maintaining focus and enjoyment throughout long races. One of the standout features of the FGT Lite is its foldable design, which makes it incredibly portable and easy to store. This feature is particularly beneficial for users who have limited space or need to frequently move their simulator setup. The inclusion of hard mounting solutions for the wheel, gear shifters, and pedals ensures a rigid and stable racing experience, reducing any unwanted movement and enhancing overall performance. The cockpit is compatible with all major wheel and pedal systems, including those from Logitech, Thrustmaster, and Fanatec, as it comes pre-drilled for these popular brands. This broad compatibility ensures that users can integrate their existing equipment without additional modifications. With its thoughtful design, adjustability, and sturdy construction, the Next Level Racing FGT Lite is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a high-quality, versatile racing simulator cockpit. In conclusion, selecting the best racing simulator cockpit can elevate your racing experience to a whole new level, providing not only comfort but also the immersive feel of real racing. We've covered some top contenders that cater to various needs and preferences, ensuring you can find the perfect match for your setup. Remember, investing in a high-quality cockpit can make a significant difference in your performance and enjoyment. If you have any questions or need further recommendations, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Share for more update videos, and stay tuned for our next review.